Hey everybody, Denise here from Denzi's Orchids. It is Tuesday, June 16th, 2020, and welcome to Tuesday Tromping. Today I'm going to talk about this little baby. I just transplanted him. It's long overdue. It looks like it's saying on Cydia. It's actually Oncostele Hilo Firecracker New Year. And yes, it does have a patent. A patent on how its structure is, how you reproduce it, so on and so forth. Um, the patent was filed and invented by James Yi Jen Fang in 2017. And you see the patent number, PP 28415. It goes into great detail. It was sort of interesting reading, I suppose you could say. Anyway, I'll move on for a little bit and then talk about it. All this in here was shoved. That plant too was shoved into and had been trying to grow in a pot like this. For comparison, there we go. That's a lot of stuff. Now, yeah, it is. It was packed in tight and getting smelly. So that's what I worked on today. After I did a whole bunch of other things and getting ready to go back out again. But anyway, as you can see, he's got two brand new growths. One here, one here. The two older pseudobulbs. One there, one back there. I don't want to disturb it too much. They're wrinkling. They will. This has some okay roots. Cleaned them up really good. Got them in here. Trying not to move them too much. It's got 4 stakes. Trying to keep them stable. I'm going to throw the tag back in here real quick. Well, maybe not. Maybe I'll end it with it. Try not to move it too much. They are an intermediate to warm grower, so I'm going to have to watch the heat that I can sometimes get. Make sure it's got a nearby fan and a place that I can move it to get some direct cooling. They don't like to dry out, but I don't want to keep it too wet in my environment because I have extremely high humidity. And since they're iffy on the moisture, having too much moisture, I want to be cautious about that. So I'm not going to let it dry out, so to speak. I may let it get relatively dried out, but like most orchids, keep an eye on things. It is not fragrant. That is one thing specifically talked about in the patent. Part of the patent mentions that it's got dark red star-shaped flowers that are long-lasting, last up to a month. And I remember getting it in bloom a little over a year ago. And they did last a long time. So let's hope that it'll do good in this new mix, non-smelly soil. And thanks for watching, everybody. And we'll just put that tag back up for the ending. Oncostele Hilo Firecracker, New Year. Have a great day. See you tomorrow for Wednesday Walk. Bye.